Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with Market Update. In the week ending January 17, US initial jobless claims rose to 200,000. While the figure came in below expectations, it was still higher than the previous week, reinforcing signs of softening labour momentum. The dollar extended its decline on Thursday, pushing the dollar index closer to the psychologically important 98 level. Markets are increasingly gripped by a sense of institutional unease, reminiscent of last year's sharp volatility episode. WTI crude is trading just below the $60 per barrel mark after rallying more than 3.6% on Wednesday. The advance was driven primarily by renewed supply concerns. Production at Kazakhstan's Tengiz oil field has been halted due to pipeline disruptions to Black Sea terminals, with output expected to remain affected for at least another week. At the same time, Venezuela's oil exports are recovering only slowly under its agreement with the US, limiting any rapid supply rebound. Gold extended its powerful rally on Thursday, breaking decisively above $4,900 per ounce and setting a new record high at $4,919.6. The move has been driven primarily by a sharp pullback in the US dollar. Even as global risk sentiment improves, safe haven demand remains firm amid lingering trade war concerns, bond market volatility, and mounting fiscal pressures across major economies. After briefly consolidating below record levels on Wednesday, gold quickly regained upside momentum. The Japanese yen traded in a narrow range against the US dollar on Thursday, reflecting mixed fundamental signals. Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi announced plans for an early election and proposed looser fiscal measures, including the removal of the consumption tax on food. Markets widely expect the Bank of Japan to keep its policy rate unchanged at 0.75% on Friday. Traders remain alert to potential currency intervention amid concerns that excessive yen weakness could reignite domestic inflation pressures. Euro stabilised near the 1.175 level, close to a two-day high as Thursday's session drew to a close. The pair has been supported by improving risk sentiment, easing trade tensions between the European Union and the United States, and broad-based US dollar weakness. Investor focus now turns to preliminary PMI data from both Europe and the US due on Friday.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.